Hello everybody and welcome to room 308 here in the InterContinental Doha. This is the official beach hotel. There are two hotels in Doha for InterContinental. This is the beach one. As you can see, what a nice view. Two huge pools, the beach right in front. We'll check it out in a few minutes. So I'm on the third floor of 6 in a twin room. Unfortunately, I didn't get the upgrade I was hoping for today because the hotel is completely full. So let's have a look into the bathroom, see what we've got. Okay, bath, standard. Yep, okie doke. I think that says it all, doesn't it? Going back, let's have another look. The minibar is down here. Inside, you can get all of that. Okay, not bad. A bottle of wine, beer, and I think there's red wine. Yeah, there it is, some red wine, some crisps in there. What's in here? It must be, yep, tea and coffee. And you get a couple of bottles of water. You probably want to request a few more. But for what I thought was quite nice, they always give me a little, like a selection of pastries. This time they gave me a chocolate bar with my name printed on the front. That's so cool, along with some fruit. And I really appreciate this, a handwritten note from the public relations marketing manager. Her name is Diana Ramirez. That's really a nice touch. I appreciate that. What's on YouTube today? Dennis Bunnick. You've got to check out his channel. He's my favorite airline reviewer. So yeah, this is the twin room at the InterContinental Beach. Let's go and check out that pool. Okay, so that's my room up there on the third floor. Here we are, like I promised, straight to the pool. It's nice, man. I'm beginning to regret wearing a black polo. The weather is about 36 Celsius. We're in May, so summer is beginning. Ramadan starts next week. So let's check out the beach. Okay, so as you can see, the beach is set right in front of the hotel, in front of the pool. And I can already tell you right now, there's a beach bar over there that's got my name written all over it. Now, one of the reasons I chose this hotel was because it was promising an awesome view of Doha, and I think if I come around this corner, we're gonna get it. I'm not sure if it's a sunset or a sunrise view, but I'll be sure to come back and film later on. But so far, so good. Over there on that side, you can see the Pearl, and then to the right is the CBD of Doha. Nice.